Hello Freshies, Herby Chicken is today's video. My name is Jody Bunting and this is my journey to my goal weight of 13 stone 2. Today we're back with another one of Hello Fresh's delivered ingredients that turns into a meal. So today we've got the classic range Herby chicken with red onion mash and garlicky beans. It's going to take us 50 minutes and it contains one of your 5 a day. The calories on this one are 581 calories, 52 grams of carbs. Go through the ingredients that came in this bag. It's recipe number 1. 2 chicken breasts, a little bit of balsamic vinegar, so we've got some panko breadcrumbs, some herbs, a little bit of mayo, a red onion, 4 white potatoes, fresh parsley, and we've also got some green beans. Now I should have saved earlier on in the week some garlic cloves, so I've used all my garlic, so I've got some granulated. Always, I've ordered some extra, all the greens, veg on the side, so I'm going to be having some of those today as a little extra. The items that we need today is a saucepan, a grater. It's only just to grate the garlic, so actually don't need that. Potato masher, a colander, and a baking tray. We're all set and ready to go.
Number 1, do the prep. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees. That's an easy one.
A large pan of boiling water with a teaspoon, half a teaspoon of salt. Chop the potatoes into 2 centimetre chunks and no need to skin apparently. Right, pop the potatoes into the boiling water and simmer for 15 minutes. Timer for 15 minutes.
15 minutes, starting now.
Half peel and thinly slice the onion. The green beans. Quickly chop the parsley, stalks and all. I'm going to put half this parsley in a bowl. I'm going to add in the breadcrumbs and the herbs. So adding to this 1 tablespoon of olive oil, it smells really delicious. Fresh parsley, you just can't beat it. Opened up our chicken breasts and we're laying them on our baking tray. Putting mayonnaise on the top. Top of the breast. I don't know how that's going to stay on. Apparently we've got to squash it on with a spoon. Oh yeah, that's staying. On top of that, our breadcrumb herb mixture. We're now going to pop this in the oven
And then we're going to say, Alexa, 25-minute timer.
25 minutes.
Next up it says splash in some oil into a frying pan. Can I just say the frying pan wasn't on the description list. And add to that pan our red onion, which we're just going to fry off 6 to 7 minutes, it says. Now time to drain the potatoes. We're going to add a knob of butter, salt and pepper. I've never actually mashed potato with their skins on before, so I'm looking forward to seeing how this tastes. These plastic mashers are absolute crap. You need metal. What I'll do is add this onion to that mash. What I do is leave that to one side, put the lid on to keep it warm. Meanwhile, in this pan that's still a little bit fatty, we're going to turn the heat back on, and then we're going to add our green beans. This is where we add the garlic. As I said, I'm using powdered because I used a full mother and a little bit of salt. This is where the recipe says to add some water and steam them a little bit. But because I like al dente vegetables, I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to slowly fry them. Already, we add the balsamic dressing. Oh, I need to turn that down. Oh, that smells great. Now I'm going to turn that heat off and just cover to keep warm.
Right, the chicken is done.
It's time to serve. I forgot. Finish it off with just a little bit of the fresh parsley.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and you can download my free diet plan at jodybunting.com. Please give us a like, a comment and a share.